So answering the question, why ArcBoss? From one very, very, very powerful perspective, ArcBoss brings a lot to the table, and that's safety. If you've ever been in a pipe shop and seen 50-year-old men playing twister with a piece of pipe, you understand how hard that the welding process is on the human body. We've seen some pretty cool things happen with that safety aspect. One shop in particular bought one of our sub-arcs to make a weld and brought one of their welders in out of retirement to make that weld. So he had already retired. As I was there with him that first day, that the owner said, this guy's retired. He come back in, he said he's come back in to make this weld for us, and that's why we bought this system, so we could get him back in here to do that. So the safety is huge because for some reason it seems like a lot of guys bail on the welding industry whenever they get in their mid-30s and 40s, and I'm like, why in the world would a guy work 10, 15, 20 years, be making really good money and bail on the entire industry? It's because the industry is very demanding on the human body. So when we can put an operator in an ergonomic position, I realize he's not going to be able to be in that position all the time, but if we can get 25%, maybe even half of his time spent just standing comfortably next to this machine as it's making that weld in a semi-automatic manner, the amount of stress that's taken off of those operators cannot be overstated. Talking to welders, man, you're going to make Friday night, or you're going to make your 50s and 60s a whole lot better if you will embrace this technology. This isn't here to replace you. This isn't a robot. There has to be an operator here operating this equipment. But from the safety perspective, it's going to make a huge difference in your life. And then, talking to management, I know that you care about the people that help you do your job, and help your company make money every day. And you have a lot of benefits, and you do a lot of things to help them, to give them the tools necessary to do the job. This one here can increase performance. We can really increase hood downtime and do it in a way that you get a massive safety bump. So why ArcBoss? Safety.